How to waterproof and thermal coat your caravan roof. Stage 1. Wash or water blast the entire surface. Stage 2. Apply waterproof sealant with brush to seams, joins, cracks, holes or rusty areas before embedding the pre-cut geotextile. Stage 3. Apply 2 coats of waterproof sealant with brush or roller to the defected areas. Allow 4 to 12 hours between coats. Stage 4. Apply sealer if your roof is painted or etch primer if your roof is raw metal. Cover the entire surface. Stage 5. Once dry, apply thermal coating to entire surface. 3 coats over waterproof sealant and 2 coats minimum over entire surface area. That's it, all done. Now head to our website liquidrubberdiy.com and use our calculator to find out exactly how much product you'll need for your caravan roof. It's time to waterproof and protect your roof for the long run. Plus, visit our website now and grab a 10% discount on your entire order. Visit liquidrubberdiy.com and grab your caravan kit now.